Good afternoon, and welcome to Conversations for College Success. Thank you to my current subscribers and new listeners who I hope will become new subscribers. Also, do not hesitate to share this podcast and my previous podcast with your network. My topic today is what is a budget and why is a budget important? A budget can be considered a roadmap or tool used to track how much money you have coming in and how much money you have going out. This roadmap can give you direction. Let's start with income. Your income comes from part-time and or full-time employment on campus or off campus. Your gross pay is before any deductions. Deductions can include federal, state, and local taxes, any deductions for health insurance, coverage, or organization's pension or savings plans that you are contributing to. Taxes are an estimate of what you owe the government at the end of the year. You could still owe the government more money at the end of the year or possibly get money back. To receive money back, that means you have overpaid the amount of tax or taxes you owe to either the city, state, and or federal government. Your net pay is after all deductions previously mentioned have been taken out, and that is now your take-home pay. Your net pay is your take-home pay. People can be paid weekly, every 2 weeks, twice a month, or monthly. It is from your net pay that you will pay all of your bills. Your bills could include food, phone, rent, or house note, lights, gas, water, sewer, car note, car insurance, college tuition, books, college supplies, personal computer, Starbucks, entertainment, clothing, shoes, etc. Make sure that you make a list of all of your expenses and include everything. It's important that your monthly bills do not exceed your take-home pay. Any money left over should be used for savings first, in case of emergencies, then entertainment and or fun. If your monthly bills exceed your take-home pay, you have a problem. You'll have to look at your bills and spending habits to get them in line with your take-home pay. One example of a change that could be made. If you and your fellow coworkers go out to eat lunch every day, and let's say lunch costs $10 a day, that's $50 a week, and that totals $200 each month. That $200 could be used for any number of bills and could make sure that your bills do not exceed your take-home pay. Or it could be daily coffee, daily snacks, fast food purchases that are increasing how you exceed your take-home pay. You may have to be very frugal while you're in college. This will help you better manage any excess scholarship funds that you receive and better manage the loans you are taking out to pay for your college education. When you learn how to manage your money through budgeting, you'll be able to pay your bills, save money, invest money, and have money to purchase the things that you want in due time. Purchasing everything that you want does not happen overnight. It will take time, very good financial planning, dedication, and possibly advice. Unfortunately, purchasing things you want now, like a car, a vacation, an apartment to move out of your parents' home, furniture, etc., while you are in college and cannot afford those things, could cause you to have to open up credit cards to cover those expenses. If you open up too many credit cards and do not or cannot pay them, you may have to file bankruptcy. Having filed bankruptcy can create a problem when you're trying to buy additional items that you need and you can only use cash. In addition, you will want to rebuild your credit if you have filed bankruptcy. So remember to create a budget so you have a roadmap of how much money you will have coming in and going out. Your budget will be the key to the start of your financial success. You can find budgeting information and tools online and through your bank for free. I'm not suggesting that you pay for this information. That would be an additional expense that you do not need. Again, thank you to my current listeners and subscribers. And hopefully, any new listeners will become subscribers. Also, do not hesitate to share this podcast and my previous podcast with your network. Finally, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to email me at conversationsforcollegesuccess@hotmail.com. Thank you for listening, and talk with you next week.